Hello, I'm Neil Screeton, owner of Screeton's Limited Chartered Accountants. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the construction industry scheme. Many businesses in the construction industry get to a point where they find it beneficial to have an extra pair of hands. Now, it may be that they don't want to take somebody on full time, in which case taking on a subcontractor may be the way to go. Now, it's important that there are a few things to consider when you do take on a subcontractor, and I'm just going to give a brief rundown of what those things are. Firstly, you must register a scheme with Revenue and Customs. You do this by phoning the CIS helpline. Second, when you select a subcontractor, you must check whether they are a subcontractor or whether Revenue and Customs would see them as an employee. There is a questionnaire that you can go through together to establish the facts. Once it's established, you need to verify the subcontractor. This involves calling Revenue and Customs or going online, quoting the subcontractor's UTR number, and Revenue and Customs will tell you whether you need to deduct 20% or 30%. Now, they will deduct 30% in the case that the person is not registered until that person is registered. So sometimes it's a good idea to encourage your subcontractors to get themselves registered with Revenue and Customs. So with the tax, any payments that you make, you must deduct the appropriate rate of tax. So that's 20% or in some cases 30%. If materials are involved, there's a slightly different calculation to make. If you need advice on this, then obviously you can contact us. The other thing to check when you're getting into the construction industry is to make sure the job that the subcontractor is doing does actually fall within the construction industry. Now, this is something that Screeton's Limited can help you with and advise you on, so if you need that advice, please do come to us. The tax that you deduct off the subcontractor is paid across to Revenue and Customs monthly, and a CIS return must also be made monthly where you show the amounts that you've paid to subcontractors and the amount of tax deducted. Now, the deadlines for these returns and payments are tight, and the penalties if you do not do them on time are high. So I would highly recommend you contact Screeton's Limited if you have any questions at all regarding the returns, regarding the payments. We can deal with all aspects of the construction industry, taking on subcontractors, so please do contact us. You can call 01827 715 264, email info@screetons.co.uk.